पाकिस्तान में हमें हमेशा से पढ़ाया गया है to achieve grades. Like if I talk about myself, I always studied to get an A star. As a child, my mom always pushed me that I have to be the first in class, and second or third or fourth grade is not good, right? So that's what we do as parents in Pakistan कि हम बच्चे को जो है ना वो 100% की तरफ push करते हैं. I know so many parents जो बच्चे 99% भी ले आते हैं but they are not happy with their results कि 1% आपकी कम क्यों है. If you want to raise curious children or if you want to raise learners who are independent, you have to start very early on because it's the kind of mindset that you are building, and not just the child's mindset, parents' mindset as well. It's very very important to counsel them कि it doesn't matter कि आपका बच्चा जो है वो 99 ला रहा है या 79 ला रहा है, if the child is enjoying and is actually learning in the process. Once I identified that this is the problem and that is why I want to start a school, then I immediately started, researching. So I went to Finland, I traveled, the entire Europe literally. I visited so many schools there. Every single school जो किसी country की top 10 schools की list में होती है वो मैंने देखी हुई है. And then I also did a very long, very extensive research. So basically what we did was that we studied 10 best schools in all the countries, in all the major countries जिनके education system दुनिया के top 20 education systems के अंदर आते हैं. That's another thing that I did. उसके बाद I started this course at Harvard, and then once I did all of that, I came back and I started Aster. We wanted to provide a place to the parents where they can, come for preschool and then stay till O levels, because initially when parents were coming to us, honestly they were a bit hesitant because they were like, what will my child do after doing Montessori from here, or what will my child do after studying till grade 3 from here. So we always wanted to give this confidence to the parents that we are here to stay, and that's why we expanded till O levels or IGCSE pretty early on.
I think for me and my husband, when we were looking for schools, our top priority or goal ये था that it should not be a ratta-based system and the child should not be forced into doing something that he does not or she does not want to do.
When I was looking for a new school, I wanted a place that is focused on practical learning and like more focused on sports and co-curricular, not just academics, not just good grades.
मुझे एक inclusive environment चाहिए था. Inclusive in a sense कि a school that caters all the income class group. A school जिनको पता था कि वो अगले 5 या 10 साल में क्या करने वाला है.
The Aster School has been pretty amazing in this way because their focus on co-curricular etiquette building, character building, and like personal development is outstanding, and it ensures that students do not just turn out book smart, but they're also well-rounded, confident individuals.
They know and they understand कि अगर एक बच्चा कहीं अगर पढ़ाई में click नहीं करेगा, so maybe he will click into sports or maybe he'll click into graphic designing or entrepreneurship, but there is some skill, at least कोई skill तो होगा जहाँ पे बच्चा click करेगा, so there is something for everyone.
One of the standing unique selling point मैं Aster का ये बताऊँगी, the mixed age group जो उनका Montessori approach है.
So we have our preschool 3 to 6 years as a mixed age at Aster. So parents were like, things like, how will they study? How will the teacher manage, students who are between 3 to 6 in one environment? 6 साल का बच्चा हमारे 3 साल के बच्चे को मारेगा तो नहीं, and things like that.
3-year will be learning from a 6-year-old. और 6-year के पास लीडरशिप क्वालिटी वो बिल्ड इन कर रहा है कि उसको कैसे 3 और मिक्स एज ग्रुप के साथ बात करनी है.
Like right now we all are in one room, and your age is different, mine is different, everyone has a different age number basically in this room, but we all are learning so much from each other. And Montessori is just that you learn in a mixed age environment. You learn responsibility, you learn tolerance, you learn compassion, because you are dealing with different age groups. So Montessori is basically, talking about the fact that the child basically belongs to this world, and if you want to teach them, give them, make a mini world for them. So if you want to raise children who are curious and who are independent, you have to role model for them. From a very small instance, once I was in this toddler environment and I witnessed a 1.2-year-old child, coming to this shelf, taking a tissue, going to the mirror and cleaning his nose, and then throwing the tissue paper in the dustbin. And that was the moment of pure joy for me, because I was like, I could actually see for the first time that, what we are doing here, trying to, teach independence to children is actually working.
Aster actually has that open room policy.
They make sure that parents are involved in everything, and that creates a very supportive partnership sort of thing between school and parents to kind of bring out the best in your child.
Aster is not just for students, it's for our parents as well. And we do a lot of work with the families that we have at Aster.
They have continuous workshops on how we as a parent can deal with situations if the child is going through some trouble.
अब इतना open हो गया, मतलब they are also open for suggestions. मतलब imagine a school founder talking to you कि क्या improvement चाहिए, which is a huge thing. मतलब she has a listening ear, right? मतलब you can actually run to her कि यार ये issue आपकी school में, and she will be like, okay, चलो let's solve it. What do you want? So that's like a very huge thing.
So at Aster, no matter which area you are dealing with, if you are in preschool, elementary years, middle school, high school, you will always find this one thing that we have trained teachers across the board.
There is so much appreciation from the teacher as well. I got that you've been doing a good job. So the little one, when she gets homework, she is over the moon. Acha, mujhe to aaj homework aaya, I'm going to do this homework and I'm going to show it to my teacher and she's going to be so happy.
So we as a school invest a lot of time doing that so that we understand every child's dynamics, their family dynamics, their learning dynamics, what kind of a learner they are, and that I think helps us a lot in making sure that they are excelling academically as well.
A big thank you for inspiring my child every day in one way or another, for maintaining this balance of academics and co-curricular that you have been maintaining for long.
Even when we have a winter break, 15 days ka break hota hai na, it is relaxing for us, but my children get so restless कि when are we going to go back to school?
बड़ी balanced school है, Islamic values को लेके चल रहा है, extra curriculum is up to the mark, academic is very focused, very in line with what they're promising. So I'm like really happy with the progress.
Whatever they are doing in life, they are able to make decisions for themselves independently. If they are making any mistakes, they should be able to learn from their mistakes. They should have this quality in them that they want to excel at everything that they are doing to the best of their abilities. And they are lifelong learners. So this is what we are working for every single day here, and trying to raise children who are curious and independent and have a genuine love for learning.